How to turn on and turn off RCS chat on your Android device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to quickly look at how to easily turn on and off your RCS chats. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services, which allows you to use your default messaging app on your Android device and send messages without having to connect to any service. You can send it via the internet. So let's see how you can turn it on or turn it off. So first of all, you will have to head over to your Play Store and search for the Google's messaging app. So just search for messages. And once you search for it, make sure that you download this one right here, Google Messages. Once you've downloaded it, you can just open the Google Messages. Now make sure to log into your profile and just tap on it. And then after you have done this, what you can do is tap on Manage Settings. From here you can head over to General, and now you can just tap on RCS Chat. So just tap on it and you will get an option to turn it on and off. Make sure that you turn on all of the options as well. And that's how you easily turn on the RCS Chat. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.